Motorsistem is a chemical industry that has been producing fuel cleaning additives for years. With the fuel quality method, it solves the problems that arise in tanks. Solves the problems of mold, condensation, humidity, emulsified biodiesel, suspended biomass and algae, and the formation of acidity. To make a correct diagnosis, our technicians intervene at your plant to check the layout of the tanks and the extent of the problem. We analyze the quality of the fuel and the conditions of the bottom of the tank. With our products, in a few days of treatment, we reverse the degradation of the fuel, bringing it back to the optimal values certified by the analyses we carry out. Taking a sample. To carry out the analysis, we take a sample of fuel from the tank. Our laboratory will analyze it, allowing us to establish the best treatment to carry out. A sample of the fuel is taken from the tank, and, based on the outcome of the analysis, carried out by an Accredia-certified laboratory, we study the best treatment to carry out, to restore the optimal values of the fuel, with chemical products of our production. The Alga Stop product is an anti-contaminant. It acts against bacterial formation. It is a product to be used periodically to maintain the quality of diesel fuel. The Puritank additive is an absolute novelty. It is a dispersant. It is used when necessary, when the diesel is dirty and needs treatment. Eliminates algae, condensation water, and bacterial formations. It allows the reabsorption of impurities, leaving the fuel clean, making it optimal for engine operation. Joining Fuel Quality is free, offering a unique opportunity to broaden your visibility and consolidate customer loyalty. Becoming part of Fuel Quality not only means guaranteeing high-quality standards in the fuels offered, but also translates into a strategic choice to build a solid and prosperous future in the world of fuel distributors.